The TikTok Creativity Fund, not Creator Fund, is here. It's TikTok's way of supporting creators even more than the Creator Fund ever did. So I'm going to tell you all about it because I got the invite to join it and I read the FAQs, and here's all the info. I'm going to be diving into who is eligible to join the Creativity Fund, how a video, once you're in the fund, is eligible to get rewards, which I'm assuming means dollars on it, and then how those rewards are calculated, in addition to what makes it different from the Creator Fund. To be eligible to join the Creativity Fund, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and have 100,000 views over the past 30 days. Now, this is the same to join the Creator Fund, but I'll touch on that even more later on. But it's still a high quality marker, similar to YouTube's 1,000 subscriber threshold or 400 watch hours in order to put ads on your videos. TikTok is keeping the quality high for who can join these types of funds and start making money on their content. You have to be making content for a bit before you can join, essentially. Or be the lucky few that makes a dance video and it goes viral and you get all the followers and all the views and what have you. And then you just keep dancing. And on top of that, it's invite only. You can't just join it and find a link anywhere. You have to be invited. And on top of that, it's beta. So we don't even know if it's going to become an official thing, but I have a strong feeling it's going to. Now, once you're in the Creativity Fund, what videos are eligible to get revenue or rewards on them? What TikTok has said is that once a video hits 1,000 quality views based on their measurements and is longer than a minute, this is the key point with this, longer than a minute, TikTok is trying to go more long form. So you made a minute long video, it goes over 1,000 views, then you can start making money on it. And in the FAQs, it really did detail this is a lot more than the Creator Fund has been giving out, which I think is good. I think that's a huge benefit. And it really shows that TikTok's trying to, give more to creators. But we'll see, because making a minute long video on TikTok, a platform that was meant for short form in the beginning, is going to be a difficult transition. You almost have to shift how people watch TikTok. Now, the way TikTok is calculating the revenue is pretty similar to other digital marketing entities in that it's the cost per milli, cost per thousand, or in their case, it's revenue per milli, revenue per thousand. They just switched up the naming a little bit, but it's revenue per 1,000 views. Now, over on YouTube, the typical payout would be like $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. Now, how you range in that $10 to $30 per 1,000 views is really dependent on the content you're making and how much money that TikTok's getting on the back end for advertising certain types of content alongside your content. Also, based on what I read, it seems like they're maybe taking these minute long videos and maybe putting an ad in the middle and kind of going that method, or before it, after it, what have you, that you are going to get paid for. Now, before diving in the difference between the Creator Fund and the Creativity Fund, I really just want to emphasize how important this shift is for side hustlers, entrepreneurs, business leaders in the social media space. This is a huge shift because it's TikTok really establishing itself as, we want to help creators, we want to try our best while still keeping our business model, which is new. So I understand why they're taking time to do this, but it really, to me, says TikTok's here to stay. We're here to give creators money and we want to be making more content. As I said in the beginning, the Creator Fund and Creativity Fund both require 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 watch hours before you can even join them. But the big difference here is that you cannot be in both. Yeah, like that gassed me. Like, okay, I was like, great, a minute long, people can join the Creator Fund for their quick videos and they can get a little bit of dollars from it, but then they can join the Creativity Fund for all their videos that are a minute longer. Wrong. You have to decide if you're going to be someone who makes just quick content and makes a little money off of it with the Creator Fund, or makes long form content that's maybe higher quality, takes more time to develop, and you're in the Creativity Fund. So that was the big difference that I noticed between the two. And obviously, that focus on minute long quality videos is something that everybody's going to have a personal, conversation with themselves about whether or not they want to make that type of content. That is my deep dive on the TikTok Creativity Fund that is going to be sweeping the world soon. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be tracking all these people joining it and seeing what their experience is like and reporting it to you. If you're just getting started in TikTok and watching this, or if you've been doing it for a while and feeling a little bit stuck, I do have a TikTok crash course to just get you up to speed on everything like back-end understanding of how the algorithm works, how to create content to please the algorithm. I'll link it down below. But other than that, I hope you all have an amazing day and I will see you in other videos.